Are you ready to improve your English listening and speaking skills? Have you ever felt shy or nervous when talking to new people? Or maybe you want to sound more confident in casual conversations? In today's episode, we're going to talk about something that can help you in English and in life: starting a small talk. Welcome to the Best English Podcast. If you're new here, we upload daily episodes to help you improve your English naturally and confidently. In this episode, you will hear a real-life story, useful phrases, and a practical dialogue to help you speak English even if you're shy. Let's begin with a personal story. Real-life story. I didn't know what to say. When I first moved to the US, I was excited, but very shy. I knew some English, but I was afraid to speak. One day, I was at a small party. People were smiling, chatting, laughing, but I stood in the corner holding my cup, saying nothing. Then someone walked over. She smiled and said, "Hey, nice to meet you. So, what do you do?" I froze. My brain went blank. I knew the words. I understood the question, but I didn't know how to answer in that moment. I just smiled and said, teacher." We stood there in silence. It was awkward, and I felt so embarrassed. But later, I thought about it. What if I had just said one simple sentence? Something like, "I'm an English teacher. What about you?" That simple sentence could have continued the conversation. So today, let's learn how to keep that conversation going. Let's imagine another time. At a conference, you sit next to someone. They say, "Where are you from?" And you pause, again unsure. You know the answer, but your brain gets nervous. This is why we practice, to build your confidence. Here's another story. I was at a bookstore. A man asked, "Have you read this author before?" I hadn't. I wanted to say something, but again I froze. Later, I wrote some lines I could have used. "No, is it good?" Or, "I haven't, do you recommend it?" Now I practice these little sentences. They help me feel ready. Let's listen to a simple, friendly conversation between two people who meet at a coffee shop.
Hi there. Mind if I sit here?
Oh, sure. Go ahead.
Thanks. It's so busy today, huh?
Yeah, I guess a lot of people need coffee.
Haha, true. Do you come here often?
Not really. Just once in a while. You?
I'm here almost every morning. It's near my office.
That's nice. I work nearby too.
Cool. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. And you?
I'm a project manager. We might be neighbors.
Maybe. That's funny.
Now, let's practice repeating some of these lines together. Do you come here often? Do you come here often? I'm a graphic designer. I'm a graphic designer. That's nice. I work nearby too. That's nice. I work nearby too. Repeat each line a few times. Feel the rhythm. Speak with confidence. Let's look at some useful words from this conversation. 1. Busy. Many people or things happening at once. Example 1. The coffee shop is busy today. Example 2. My week is always busy. 2. Nearby, close to you in distance. Example 1. I work nearby. Example 2. Is there a bank nearby? 3. Project manager. Someone who organizes and manages tasks and people for a job. Example 1. She's a project manager at a tech company. Example 2. The project manager sent us an email. 4. Graphic designer. A person who creates visual content and art for websites, ads, etc. Example 1. I'm a graphic designer. I make logos and posters. Example 2. The graphic designer made our website look cool. In the US, people often start conversations with small talk. This means light, friendly conversation about things like the weather, work, or coffee. It's not deep or personal. It helps people feel comfortable, so don't worry about saying something amazing. Just be friendly and relaxed. A smile helps too. Here's a tip. Try commenting on your surroundings. Say something about the place, the weather, or even the line at the shop. These openers make others feel invited to talk. Try these. Busy morning, huh? Nice weather today. The line's long today. These are simple, but powerful. Now, let's practice. I'll say something, and you respond out loud. Hey, nice to meet you. What do you do? Cool. Do you come here often? Yeah, this place is usually packed in the mornings. I like the vibe though, don't you? Nice job. You're doing great. Keep it up. Today we learned how to start a small talk. We listened to a story, practiced a conversation, and learned some useful words. We also practiced shadowing and tried role-playing. Remember, you don't need perfect English to start a friendly chat. What matters is your willingness to try. Every small conversation helps you grow. Step by step, day by day, you are learning. If you liked this episode, don't forget to follow the Best English Podcast. Leave a comment, share this with a friend, and come back tomorrow for more practice. And remember, every small talk is a big step to confidence. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.